Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Ramadan is almost upon us. And in this month, I've decided to put together a series of reflections, which I'm calling Quranic reflections, in which I am extracting some heavy, deep concepts which are embedded in verses, or sometimes they're just verses themselves, beginnings or endings, which are thoughts worth reflecting on throughout this month and beyond. So join me by subscribing to my YouTube channel for daily releases of the Quranic reflections. Barakallah fikum. I hope that your Ramadan will be blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.